Hi everybody, this is Arvind from Chartview. So now we are going to discuss regarding the pre-market analysis for tomorrow expiry, the weekly expiry for 9th June. So friends, as usual, we'll discuss first Nifty. For the Nifty, the straddle formation is at 16,500. Straddle formation means always you should refer to the first straddle. That is 16,500. The resistance corresponds to 16,531. The second straddle is at 16,800. The support is at 16,397 and it is a far away uh, straddle. So its resistance is at very far away. You can see here 16,812. So we are not considering now that. And the support corresponding to 16,500 is 16,365. So friends, this is nothing but the resistance and support corresponding to the strikes is calculated by our algos from the option chain you view in Delhi, the NSE sites. So friends, you see at 16,500, 1,70,000 call writers are sitting and 36,000 put writers are sitting. If you add up, this value will be the highest in the series actually. That's why 16,500 is the first run. Friends, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe for quick updates and press the bell icon. Friends, we will discuss today what will be the behavior of the expiry tomorrow. As you see, already the Nifty has closed at 16,356 and the chart is at chart value is around you can say uh, the chart value is around 16,335. So friends, already it has closed below 16,365, the power support line. So one thing may happen that it may have a slight gap of around 16,800. Already negative sentiment is there. So 16,800 support line, that is around 16,400. It may have a gap up and it may try to move upward. So then, if it is getting a resistance at 16,400 resistance line, that is 344, actually 16,433, that is 16,433. It is a 16,400 resistance line. It is, you can see here in the chart, that is in the scale actually 16,433. If it is getting a resistance from 16,433, it may happen in the beginning also, beginning candle, or as we are explaining for convenient we are telling that if it's getting a resistance from 16,400 resistance, that is at 16,433, definitely it will again come to 16,365. It will touch the 16,500 line and it may get some support. If it is not getting moving upward, then it will definitely break 16,365 and it will try to touch 16,400 again, means today's low around, that is 16,318, and in maximum case it may also go to 16,273. It is one possibility. And in the beginning also there may be a gap of around 16,300 support, that is around 16,273. With a gap up it may move off, and if it is getting a support at 16,400, that is 16,318 line, again it will try to move up and it may go up to 16,400 resistance line, that is 16,433. So this is one possibility. And if it is a huge gap up, huge gap down, then definitely these lines will act as support resistance. So kindly see along with the opening. Actually, where will be the exact opening, nobody can say. But if we are going to theoretical, then actually gap up should be at 16,500, not 16,500 here. The nearest strike gap of resistance line is here, that is 16,433. So it can be a gap up as we consider by our research. So also gap up can be here also. If it is happening over here, then these lines will definitely uh, behave as the resistance support for that opening also. So kindly try to understand the market in that manner. So this is regarding Nifty. So tomorrow 16,365 or 397 This zone will be a critical zone. If it is breaking this zone, it will move up. If it is not breaking upward and then breaking downward, then it will move downward. And in the very beginning also there may be a gap down. It may get a resistance here in the low value of today's low value, that is 16280 or 290 or 16300, you can say. Then there may be a very downward movement towards 16200 also. So this is regarding the Nifty. So now we'll discuss regarding Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, you see friends, today the straddle formation is actually at the straddle formation is at 35,000 once again. So the closing needs to be here around 35,000 as per theory. But nowadays there are a lot of option divergence happening on the day of expiry also. But as per theory, it should close near 35,000. But after some movement, so you see 35,000 resistance correspond to 35140. The support corresponds to 34817. Put writers are more at 35,000 level, and you see the second formation is at 36,000. The support is at 35079. The resistance is very far away. You can see over here. So we are now not considering that. So what will happen tomorrow? If it is a gap up opening, then definitely it will happen near 35,000 resistance line, that is 35140. So after opening, definitely it will get, if it is getting a resistance, it will also come downward and try to touch this line, that is 34817. And after getting some rest here, it will try to move also downward to 34737. But if it is getting good support, normally it should take a support over 34817, then it will revert back to 35,000. And if it is a gap down, already gap down, then may move off. And if it is getting high resistance as today's low, definitely it will move to 34,500 also, you can say. And 34,500 support line, that is 34,466, you can observe it. That is one possibility. And after gap up also, if it is getting a support over 35,000, 35140, definitely again it will try to toss the today's high, that is 35,444. And in consolidation stage, definitely it will move in this zone actually. But the trading zone is the main zone is this one, 35140 to 34817. That is the main consolidation zone, and it may move outward and it may move downward. So this is regarding the Nifty Bank Nifty pre-market analysis. Thanks for watching for and sparing your valuable time. And please subscribe and share our videos. And thanks for watching once again. Have a good night, friends.